To spatial reasoning test 3. So here, let's have a read of the question. So work out the figure that can be combined with the first figure to create the shape in the gray box. Okay, so this is an example. These are two examples. So let's work through these examples first of all. So first of all, we've got this particular original figure here. And we need to create this figure here on the right-hand side. So what are we going to add on? We're just going to add on 1 and 2 extra boxes on top of here, and that gives us the answer A. Let's look at the second example. So again, with the second example, this is the original figure, and this is what we have to make. What are we going to add on? We're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes on top, which will obviously go here, right here on the top roughly, and that will give us this original figure as well. Okay, so you have to determine which actual figures need to be created. So if you look at this example here of this first question, so this is what we need to make. This is the original shape. Original shape here. And what are we going to do in terms of which blocks are we going to add on top of this shape here to get this particular original image here? Okay, so from what I can see here, we're just going to add 1 and 2 blocks here. So just there, all right, to basically get the original image. So in that case, B is going to be our answer. Okay, so use a similar concept and technique to answer the rest of the questions as well. And good luck with these. Thank you.